No. There you go. Want to be friends? You're gonna get tagged.
I just...
Oh.
He didn't use his claws, though.
Just playing with it.
Yeah.
Sammy would have hissed and snatched him.
You're
Oh,
okay,
yeah.
CD, good girl. She's more scared than the cat is.
What is that?
Her teeth are chattering. Sounded like Velcro.
Good girl.
Your teeth chattering?
We didn't betray you. Good girl.
And 90 pounds of fear.
The cat really doesn't care. I'm surprised.